Thank you and congratulations, Ms. Shroff. Well, ladies and
Thank you.
gentlemen, with this, let's move on to the final award. Now, this is the Hallmark Award, the Mega Award today, and it is the Managing Partner of the Year. So we need all the grandeur coming in, a lot of applause coming in, and let's see who the winner is. Could we have the winner, Avi, please? And ladies and gentlemen, for the Managing Partner of the Year, and that goes to Dr. Manoj Kumar. Congratulations on getting the Managing Partner of the Year with a lot of applause, virtual applause coming to your way. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Bhavna. In fact, this is very, very significant for me personally and for our firm. As I walk into 26th year of my practice, and our firm walks into 21st year of its excellence in service to our clients. To start with, I would not miss the opportunity to thank my family for all the sacrifices over the last quarter of a century. They've been able to let me go, let me be where I had to be professionally. My wife Shweta, who has been a very significant part and a strong pillar in the journey. And of course, my children who have grown up not seeing me enough. Having said that, I would like to, this award is a tribute to our clients who gave such challenges across the last 25 years, right from disputes to strategy to policy and things which could never be solved by others, and they came up to us and we were able to unlock value. Thank you to our clients for giving the opportunity to perform. And of course, as a managing partner of the law firm, I have always tried to lead from behind and try to empower and decentralize and create as many Dr. Manoj Kumars as possible within the firm. That has been the hallmark of the way I have worked over the years. And I would like to thank my colleagues, both past and present. And before concluding, my special thanks to my teachers, both in law school as well as in the profession. I have learned a lot from all of them to become a better professional, a better leader, and most importantly, a better human being from where I started, including the luminaries on the screen right now, respected Justice Mishra, Mrs. Geeta Luthra, and of course, a big thank you and to business world, and especially the great work that Dr. Anurag Batra has been doing over the years. And thankfully, he turned his attention to the legal profession. I'm sure the profession is in a lot more in terms of excellence and recognition over the years to come. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Dr. Manoj Kumar. So, God bless you and you rise further high, and there should be no limit to your progression. And one thing about leadership, I would like to tell you, the best leader is he who leads, but others don't know that he is leading. And you have done that when you say that I am trying to create as many Manoj Kumars as possible. That's very, very nice thought. And you deserve to be congratulated again. My heartfelt congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ms. Luthra?
Congratulations, Manoj. Very, very well done. It's an honor, well deserved, and may you go to greater heights.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Congratulations, Dr. Manoj Kumar, and thank you for the kind words. I hope we make a significant impact and become part of the legal fraternity in a deep way. So thank you so much.
Looking forward.
Thank you and congratulations once again, Dr. Manoj Kumar.